we all studied about the going to school now. Okay, in the school, what all things we have, children? We have classrooms, we have, yes, we have playgrounds, we have computer rooms, we have a sports room, art room, music room, everything we have. What all interesting things are there? That all we have it in the which room? Which place? School. Our school. Beautiful now? The school only, the name only beautiful. So inside that name, how much beautiful will be? Yes? Okay. The school will be too beautiful. We'll start with that. In the last class we started also. Now we'll continue with that chapter only, the school. What all things are there in the school? About that, who all are there in the school? That all things we studied in the class. Okay. Before we start the class, we'll start with the prayer, children. All of you close your eyes and repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay, now we'll start with the next one, the people in the school who all. Okay, today we'll start with the people in the school who all are there in the school. We'll study it today. Okay, all of you open your book 192, page number 192. There are many people who help run the school. Okay, there are many people in the school who runs the school easily. Who is there? Principal will be there, teachers will be there, and the guards will be there. Okay, they are what they do? They help us to run the school easily. Okay, the principal looks after the whole school. The teachers help students to learn how to read, how to study, how to come to school, how to go, how to walk, how to speak. Everything they will help us to study. All these people help us and we should thank them. We have what have to do? We have to thank them. Why? Because they are helping us. Okay. Now we'll see the golden rules. What, children? Half we finished only in the last class, children. These are all things we finished off in the last class only. We'll just grasp it and we'll move on to the exercise today. Today, Aman and Sia were going to the giving to the trophy by the teacher. Giving a trophy by the teacher. They had followed the golden rules. What they did? They have followed the golden rules. What are these golden rules? Coming to school on time. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ? ಅಮನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಯಾಗ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದ? Because they are following what? Golden rules. They are coming to the school on time, wishing and greeting all the teachers all time, all the helper and the helpers also, thanking all the helpers. Okay, thanking all the helpers, standing in a queue while drinking water and getting into the bus. ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವರ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? Coming to school on time, wishing greeting all the teachers and helpers. Third one, thanking all the helpers. Standing in a queue while drinking water. Drinking water or getting into it. Into the bus. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾತ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತ? ಟ್ರಾಫಿ ಸಿಕ್ತ. So you will also follow now. If you also follow, you also get the prizes, children. These are the some of the golden rules we have to wish. And always when teachers are coming inside or teachers are passing in front of you, you have to wish them, children. And come to school on time. ಈಗ ನಾವು 9:00 ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೆಲ್ ಹಾಕೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9:00 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Manners ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to come on time and we have to wish teachers, principals, all the staff. Okay, not only I'm telling teachers, office staff also we have to wish, and guards also, the peon, ayas also, we have to wish them, and we have to maintain the discipline in the school. We have to keep clean. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಬಿದ್ದೈತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗ. ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಎತ್ತಿಡ, ಇಂಥ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗ. Okay, you will also follow now. You will also become a good boys or girls, and you will also get the trophy now. Applying these all golden rules, you will also get the trophy. Okay, I wish you will also get. Okay, next one. Now we'll start with the exercise part. All of you open exercise part. Match the following. Exercise part. Okay, first one, match the following. A1, we play in. They are given an option where we play, children. In the playground. Mark it there. Playground. The first answer is C. Second one, we read books in the which room? Library. Second one, D. We draw and paint in the which room? Art room. Where we do? Art room. Fourth one, we sing and dance in the music room. We sing and dance in the music room. These are the answers of match the following. Okay, next one, answer the following questions. Name two things you can find in your classroom. ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಾಕ್. You will get that. Write two things you do before you come to school. Breakfast, praying, getting ready, all the things. Write the names of two your best friends. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀರಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. How do you help teachers in school? To carry the books or giving them a pencils, giving them a pen, making them to sit. Okay, arranging their tables, everything. Okay, next one, life skill is there, value for life. These all are easy things you have to do by yourself, children. Okay, do it by yourself. Next one, today we'll start with a new chapter. That also we'll start it. Okay, the festivals. In the previous class also I told the festival, the name only shows that it gives us the what? Excitement. I told you, excitement, full excitement we get, children. What type of excitement we get? Happy. What? Happy. Full of happiness. Full of what? What we say? It is a one type of a what? Kush. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So the festival name only shows that, gives us the meaning that it is a full of happiness. The festival, the other name of a festival is what? Happiness. Okay, now we'll start with that chapter. Okay, all of you open with the festivals. I think we did it. Okay, once again we'll do it. Okay, don't worry, if we did also we'll do it once again, and just it makes us to get revised. Okay, we'll revise it once. Okay, on some special days we have a big celebrations. Such days are known as the festivals. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ದಿನ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆಚರಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಾರ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್. What we do, children? Grandly we celebrate. Fun, kushi, variety foods, lightning, color of rangolis, dresses. These are all things we do. On these days, we enjoy and have fun with family and friends. We have enjoyment with our family and friends. We wear new clothes and eat special kinds of food. What we eat? Special kinds of food. Variety food. Food we get on which day? The festivals. Amma prepare what? Variety foods and variety sweets also. And many festivals are celebrated in India. Let us read about some of the festivals. Today we will start with some of the festivals. Okay, Pongal. Okay, this This festival we celebrate in the Kerala. Okay, this is the Kerala festival. What time they do in the Sankranti. ನಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹಂಗ ಅವರ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, the Pongal is a harvest festival. It is also known as a Sankranti. See, they are also telling that only. They are telling that as a Pongal, but we in our Karnataka we use as a Sankranti. Houses are cleaned and decorated with the rangolis. What we do, children, in the Pongal, they fully clean their houses. After that, they put the rangolis. Color rangolis they will put. It is a symbol of a festival. Okay, the coloring of rangoli is a symbol of what? A festival. People buy new clothes. Okay, ellaru new clothes ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿ. New clothes ready ಆಗೋದು, ornaments ಹಾಕೋದು. Okay, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? Pongal, a special sweet dish made with the rice and jaggery. It made on this festival. ಪೊಂಗಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದವರ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇ ಪೊಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ನೈಸ್ ವಿತ್ fresh milk and the jaggery they will use. It is too tasty also. Okay, what dish they will prepare? The pongal. On Pongal they prepare the pongal only. That name only Pongal. Okay, Pongal. Next one, Onam. It is said that the King Mahabali visits the earth during the Onam festival. Houses are decorated with the flower rangolis called a Pukalam. A grand lunch is prepared in all homes. Many places are snake boat races. This is also they celebrated in which place? In the Kerala only. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂಕಲಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ನೇ ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬೋಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೋಟಿಂದ ರೇಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ರೇಸ್, ಬೈಕ್ ರೇಸ್ ಇಂಥವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೋಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಏನದಾವ, ನೀರಿನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆ, watery areas are there in the which place? In the Kerala. Okay, King Mahabali visits the earth during the Onam festival. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಾರಂದ್ರ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಹಾಬಲಿ ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅರ್ತ್ ನ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅವತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇಂದ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೂಕಲಮ್ಮ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಂಚ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಡಿಶಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಊಟದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವತ್ತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಬೋಟ್ ರೇಸ್. ಅದು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಅದೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಬೋಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದರದ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗದ? ಓಣಂ ದಿನ. ಯಾರು ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ? Okay, these are the today we'll start only do this much only because it will make you to get confused, children. Okay, today we start with the Pongal and the Onam. Remaining two festivals are there. Remaining so many festivals are there. We'll study about it in the next class. And in this we say in the chapter we have so many difficult words, children. Please revise it once again. How many times you can do it. It will help you to write the question and answer also. Okay, will you do it, children? You all are good students now. You will complete your work on time. Okay, complete it and be prompt. Okay, then only you will get what? That time I told you, medals. If you apply the golden rules, you will get what, children? Medals you will get. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Please prepare for it and we'll meet it again and again. We'll meet only, but we'll continue with the chapter in the next class, children. Okay, bye, see you.